She's a girl with time to have a good time, 'cause she can look fine in 6 minutes or 5. She's saving time with a new fast drying Clairol 1200 hair dryer. The sporty bright and green machine is light and small, but it blows real mean. About the best thing blowing on the hair dryer scene is the Clairol 1200 hair dryer.